discuss the topic. Okay, so first question, the image which can be obtained on the screen is called option A, real image, option B, virtual image, option C, shadow, and option D, none of this. Okay, so answer is, so right answer is the image which can be obtained on the screen is called obtained on the screen, and it cannot be obtained on the screen. In the context discussion, I have told you the basic difference of real image and virtual image, that which image can be obtained on the screen, that is called real image, and which image cannot be obtained on the screen, that is virtual image. So here it is mentioned that is obtained on the screen, then obviously among these four options real image is the correct answer. Okay, so that is question number 1. Next question, students. Next question, question number 2, that is the type of mirror which is used as rear view mirror is called option A, concave mirror, option B, plane mirror, option C, convex mirror, and option D, none of this. Okay, which will be the correct answer? So students, it's very much important also for the exam, that rear view mirror, it means that what we use in that car for watching the behind, how many objects are there and how far they are. That mirror is obviously it is convex mirror. Okay, if you ask that in another way, what is the, tell me one uses of convex mirror, you can say easily we use convex mirror as rear view mirror, okay, or looking. Okay, so next question, that is question number 2. Next question, that is image formed by a plane mirror. Option A, real image, option B, inverted image, option just change the option, that is virtual image, and option C, real and inverted, option D, none of this. Students, in the context discussion I have told you that in a plane mirror virtual image is formed. What we have seen in front of a mirror, plane mirror, that is the virtual mirror. And what is just before the first question I have discussed, when virtual image cannot be obtained on the screen, real image can obtain on the screen. So that answer is virtual. The image formed in a plane mirror, that is virtual. And one thing, students, when virtual image is produced, when it seems that after reflection, that reflected ray appears to meet at a point. মনে হচ্ছে একটা পয়েন্টে মিট করবে, that is virtual image. That point is virtual image, and when they actually cut, that is real image. One example, students, I hope it will that concept of this real and virtual image will be clear. Just it is a what type of mirror it is? obviously inside is a reflecting surface, so it's a concave mirror. Okay, now reflected ray, incident ray, they meet at a point. Actually they meet at a point. These are the incident ray, these are the reflected ray. These are the incident ray, these are the reflected. The reflected ray actually meet at a point, then where image is formed, where reflected ray are intersecting each other. That point, that place, image is formed. Here image is formed here in this position. So it is that image is produced by actual intersection of reflected ray. So that type of image are called real image. And what is virtual image? Look at the board. Look at the board. In concave mirror, it is called center O, it is called A. And why it is O? Because why it is spherical mirror? It is a spherical mirror. Spherical mirror means it's a part of sphere. So sphere has a center, that center is A, that point O. And it is the A, it means focus. That is, and if I denote P is called pole. P is called pole. It is the middle portion of the middle point of that portion. So pole, and that is focus, and that is center of the sphere, or center of another word is called, in the higher class we will learn that center of curvature. Now if any object is kept here, so it image will look at the board everyone. That is F, and I am giving here O. Incident ray, after reflecting, it will pass. So that point is O. Okay, it is the incident ray. Reflected ray. So that is incident ray. After reflection, it will pass into the focus, and that is incident ray. And after striking the reflecting surface, it will back. So they never had meet at any point. They never had meet. Then image will not form. Yes, image will form. Just extend it. So you will get that image here. You will get that. It is not possible to move the rays along this word. But it seems if I produce this rays along this direction, then it can intersect, and where it intersect in that place image is formed. So it appears, এটা মনে হচ্ছে যে এটা যদি বাড়িয়ে দিই এখানে intersect করবে. So then in that case virtual image is formed. I hope that virtual image and real image is quite clear. If you have more doubt, you can ask me in the e-portal before exam. So few days are left, so I will try to clear your doubt. Thank you students. Bye.